Hello Flosstube, Crafttube, my name is Tia and you've reached my channel here at Calm Creations on YouTube. Today I'm back with my stitchy update for the week. Today is Tuesday, so I don't work Tuesdays, so it is a perfect opportunity to get my video done. I've got a couple of videos to film today. Some other crafts that I've been working on, but today is Flosstube. So normally I would start with my travel stitching, but I haven't done any travel stitching this week, so I've got nothing to show you, but I will get on and show you what I have done, or what I did last week. So last week, if you remember, was March Cottage by Country Cottage Needleworks. So I'll show you what that looks like. So that's that one there. That's what it'll look like when it's finished. Ooh, there's a glare. Ooh. So that's that one. And when I had started, I'd only done, when I picked it up again, I'd only done the top banner and part of the M, and then last week I'd done all of the March, these flowers, and that was that, but I had to fill in, I think it was that flower, and then do the two leaves on either side, and then I did the tree. So that's where that'll be left until next time. So that came along quite quickly, so I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so that's March Cottage. And then this week's stitching is Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow, which is this piece here. And I've finished all of block 1 and I'm working on block 2. So let me show you. Oops, there's a big long dangly thread there which belongs over there. So this is Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow. So last week when I showed it, I'd done part of the roof. So I've now filled in the 2 chimneys and working along the roof. I've got to fill in these little windows, and I've done part of the outside of the house. And I made a needle minder. I made that to match. Oh, can you see that there? Ooh, don't know if you can. So that is where I'm up to at the moment on Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow. I'm very happy with that. It's have to be one of my favourite pieces is the Hawk Runs. So I've got 3 Hawk Run patterns. I've got Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow, Halloween at Hawk Run Hollow, and Shores at Hawk Run Hollow. You know, I'd like to go to Hawk Run Hollow if it's even a place. I know that there's a map of Hawk Run Hollow. Imagine going there. You could see all of these things. Anyway, so that is Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow. Now next week is Welcome by the Cricket Collection. So that's that one there. We've all seen that. That's Welcome. And this is where it's at that I'll be starting it. So I've only done a very small start. That's the bit of fabric. Where are we? It's a little bit more purple than it is showing. but that is Welcome by the Cricket Collection. It's on 18 count hand dyed Ada, so that's where that one will be starting from. So that's about it. This must be the record for Flosstube updates. The other thing I wanted to show you was ages and ages ago I bought a cross stitch chart. I haven't started it yet. I bought it on Etsy, but I can't wait to start it. It's going to be a doozy. Look at that. So that's Game of Thrones, and it's trying to focus on Jon Snow. So, and it's a big chart. So it's 500 wide by 702. No, it's 500 wide by 702 high. So it's going to be a doozy. But I can't wait to start that. So that may be a start soon. Why not? So that is that one, and that is it from me. I am done. Hope you all have a lovely crafty week, whatever you're doing. I'm going to get on and go and make another coffee, and I will see you all again next week. Bye.